What is the one word for very harsh or strict, especially when dealing with others? The correct answer is severe. What is the one word for yield to the control of another? The correct answer is submit. What is the one word for a dull grayish to yellowish or light olive brown? The correct answer is drab. What is the one word for look searchingly? The correct answer is peer. What is the one word for a sensation associated with a particular disease? The correct answer is symptom. What is the one word for take into custody? The correct answer is arrest. What is the one word for an overwhelming defeat? The correct answer is rout. What is the one word for withstand the force of something? The correct answer is resist. What is the one word for dash violently or with great speed or impetuosity? The correct answer is plunge. What is the one word for a very steep cliff? The correct answer is precipice. What is the one word for gain with effort? The correct answer is achieve. What is the one word for the striking of one body against another? The correct answer is impact. What is the one word for get or find back, recover the use of? The correct answer is regain. What is the one word for be in an inactive or dormant state? The correct answer is hibernate. What is the one word for having unexpected good luck? The correct answer is fortunate. What is the one word for a wilderness at the edge of a settled area of a country? The correct answer is frontier. What is the one word for cause to be immobile? The correct answer is paralyze. What is the one word for characterized by energetic movement? The correct answer is active. What is the one word for of the immediate past or just previous to the present time? The correct answer is recent. What is the one word for walk unevenly due to pain, injury, or weakness? The correct answer is limp.